Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today I'm going to show you how I built this really cute attic bedroom and some miniature plants. I started by gathering some lids and bottles that I had kept and painting them. Then I took some painter's tape about 4 inches long and folded it in half and cut out a leaf shape. Then I folded the leaves in half and cut little wedges out. For the next one, I took little strips of the folded painter's tape and I kind of twirled them into weird little shapes. I also cut out some of the leaves and just made little slits all along the edges. Then I painted them all green. You could skip this step if you use the green painter's tape, but I only had the blue. I also had some fake greenery that I thought would be cute in the little pots. Next, I just started gluing them into the pots. I then went in with a lighter green and kind of dabbed all around. Some of the blue was still showing, so I was trying to cover it. And then on the longer leaves, I just kind of dry brushed the lighter green on. Then I thought I needed a little table to set all the plants on. So I took some coffee stirrers and I cut 4 down to 4 inches each and 4 down to 2 inches each and started gluing them together. And then I took the top rectangle and started gluing the back legs on. And then I glued the shelf on before I attached the last 2 legs. Once the main structure was together, I then took more coffee stirrers and glued them onto both shelves. Then I took a little watered down brown paint and painted the whole thing. For the room, I took a full sheet of poster board, went over about 13 inches and cut a line through without going all the way through so it would bend. Then I went back to that line I had just cut and cut a small square out so I could make the peaked ceiling. Then I took that square and glued it at an angle coming into the room. I cut a smaller piece to close it off. Then I started building a bookshelf underneath. Then I took thin strips of poster board and covered them in a wood grain scrapbook paper. For the window, I used my painter's tape to make an arch and then used my ruler to draw straight down. Then I took about 1.5 inch strip of poster board and I bent it along the whole length so that it could bend. And then I glued it to the outside of the window. I then used that window cutout to draw the door frame for the window, and then I covered it in scrapbook paper. I cut out a square of poster board and covered it for the bottom of the window, and then covered the whole inside with the same scrapbook paper. Then I glued this cute pattern paper on the wall for wallpaper. For the bed, I had these 2 pallets that I got from the Dollar Tree, along with these wooden planks that I got from the Dollar Tree. I glued the 2 pallets together lengthwise, and then I took the wooden planks and cut them down to the width of the pallet. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.